So I'm going to start with Adrian. And come on, Adrian. Adrian is delightfully a beginner in the use of sword. She trains primarily in Zen and Kyudo, or Japanese archery. So I'm going to be working with Adrian to just get down to the very basic elements of what we do, why we do, how we do it, so you can see from a teaching point what it is about breath and gravity I'm trying to do with a sword. I want you to, you're going to bring this up straight over your head using an inhalation. So you can see underneath it, you've got your tip, there you go. So let's just get this right. So I want this more in the center here. So left hand is there. But now we're going to get it straight. It's back about like that. Okay, now, from here, you're going to bring it down slowly, and the work is in the left hand. The left hand is going to go away from you. Yeah. And down. This isn't pushing. This is just going with it. And your body, I want you to take it up again. Now, a mistake would be is if you followed it with your body, if you bend like that, exaggerating, right? You'll see it when we do log splitting. You don't want to do that. Instead, as it comes down, your body straightens. Good. And you've got the right thing already with your breath. So as it comes up, you're inhaling. And as it comes down, you're exhaling. Now we're going to introduce the lift. You're getting a sense of gravity here, weight here. As the sword comes up, your knees soften. And then as it comes down, that same speed, okay, don't go any faster. I want you to just push to the ceiling, okay? Now slowly. Push. Come on, more. Yeah. Okay, again. Okay, now what I want you to emphasize, the pressure to go up, what's driving you up is happening right at the base of the big toe. Okay? That's the hydraulic. That's where you're going, that's what you're pushing against to get yourself up. Yeah, that's more like it. Now just keep going. Roll this hand in. Roll it in. Keep going. Don't let me stop you. That's right away. Yeah. Body come out. Come on. Good. Keep going. Yeah. Okay, the weight of the tip. Come on. Push. Okay, same thing. I'm going to give you more resistance. You're going to have to work. And you're going to work by straightening up. Come on. Not here. Yeah. More. Keep going. Don't stop. Yeah. Okay, and up. Now really throw this hand away. Throw it way out there. Up, don't lean forward. You got to work out the body mechanics of this and this. I'll just leave you alone. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah. Don't straighten up too early. You can now do 3 in a row as fast as you can. Okay, now do ultra slow motion. So slow that, the camera crew gets bored and goes and takes lunch. Slow. You may have to steal a breath. Long as you can, exhale, long as you can. It's okay, steal a breath. Keep coming. All the weight. Bam. Sound, okay? You know how to make good sound. Give us, I don't know what you want, if you want to give us a note, give us a tone, give us something. So match the speed of your cut to a sound, a tone of your choice. Whoa, we should have started with that. Okay? Okay, now I know you as a trained vocalist. Can you figure out what is it? So when you're starting out, your sound feels a little bit choked, and as you come up, it releases wonderfully. What's happening? What's that release? So what did you do differently this time? Because it started clearer. How did you make it clear from the start?
Relax my neck.
Interesting.
Relax my jaw.
Let me look from the side. So. So did that feel natural in your neck or not natural? Hard to say.
Hard to say.
Because as soon as you started, as soon as the note came clear, your neck came straight in the way that it seemed like before you were saying felt abnormal.
Sure.
But by producing a sound, your body had to do it. And this is what's great about this, is that we're emphasizing the manual labor of Zen meditation. So I can be teaching you a sword and who cares? What am I, I don't use a sword. What do I need a sword for? But as soon as I ask you to make a sound, now you've got something invested in the quality of that sound. And so now you're trying to optimize your body to do the work. Okay? So let's go with this. Give me some more sound. You can give me a different sound if you want. You know what to do, right? So we sit Zazen for 45 minutes, and I don't know if there is a silent form of what you just did, right? You do that for 45 minutes, that'd be one hell of a sitting, right? Because everything's optimized.